you stoked?
Yeah, I'm really excited. This car has been with me this is like one of the first cars I've ever had, so it's come a really long way. I'm really excited to show everyone the new look. Got a few updates, so it's come a long way.
Yeah, it's not red anymore.
No, there's red, but we originally repainted this thing all red, beautiful, and when we were designing it, some of the guys come out and were like, we have an idea to get rid of all of the red, and I was a little apprehensive about it, but after tweaking it around and playing with a few color schemes, I'm pretty happy with how it looks.
Yeah, I've been able to preview it. I haven't seen it in person, but for the renderings I've seen, it looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, it has a very vintage Valvoline look, so it's kind of like a tip to the hat of old livery styles, kind of old stuff. It's pretty good. Yeah.
Well, let's not keep people waiting too long. Let's do it. Let's pull this cover back.
I bought this car crashed from someone else like, I don't know, 6 or 7 years ago to sort of see it take the center stage here and have the whole entire livery designed and have it follow the booth was quite a shock. So it means a lot that it's here, and big thank you to Valvoline for investing in us and really taking us to the next level.
We appreciate you. It looks great. Well, you can get back to maybe doing some signings, maybe do some pictures, let some people get some cool pics of this thing. I need everyone request next year at your life event. I need to take a ride.
Yeah.
So, and drive it if you want me to.
Sweet.
Here she is. Pretty much done with this video. Editing in the hotel room. Thank you to anyone that watched this video all the way. If you did, please like and subscribe. A whole bunch more SEMA content coming. This is the first video I'm posting pretty much. I realize I have enough content to... It's gonna be a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of Instagram posts. So again, thank you if you watch this whole thing. I just want to throw in my final thoughts on TJ Hunt's car and the reveal. First of all, it was super cool to see the reveal. I didn't stand in line to meet TJ or get anything signed because the line was really long and I'm doing media, so I had to go get pictures and videos of a bunch of other stuff, although I would have liked to get my hat signed, so we'll see if I see him. There's still a day and a half left to SEMA. My final thoughts on this, super cool. Cool to see him unveil his car in person, and it looks sick. A couple things that I really like about it is, one, I don't think I've seen that many race cars with white as the base color for their livery. Probably because it's ballsy, right? I mean, you're burning rubber and, getting dirty and flinging asphalt around, so that's probably why, but damn does it look good. The white with Valvoline's colors on top of that, and the white wheels, ooh, white on white, goodness. It looks freaking good. So one, I love that they just went full Valvoline color scheme, and well, obviously they were going to, but I mean, base of white and then the Valvoline colors on top. Fantastic. And then the second thing I really like is all of the little Valvoline details. So the Valvoline logo with the stripes on the wheels, so sick. Again, the color on white looks great. And then the little oil cans and logos all over, and there's a giant oil can on the roof, actually. You saw the picture of it. All those little details are so cool. And I feel like that's hard to do correctly, where you're like, let's put a picture of an oil can on the car. Like, it's one of those things that you could easily mess up, you know, if you went like too detailed of a picture, like it would just look weird. They did it perfectly. Just a simple oil can in the Valvoline colors with the logo, like so sick. To the boys that designed this livery and TJ Hunt, good job. This is sick. And it fit in great with the booth. It all looked fantastic, super cool. Anyways, car looks sick. Good job. It was cool to see the unveiling. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Lots more SEMA content coming. This is the first of many videos. Follow on Instagram for live content. And we're getting it done. We're doing it all. I caught a few other cars being unveiled, and I'm definitely going to build a car for SEMA next year. It's going to happen. I always thought that's how I would go to SEMA first, was building a car, but I weaseled my way in with media this year because I really want to go, which has worked out great. But next year I'm building a car. I'm getting the inspiration from all these SEMA builds and people. I'm coming for you, TJ Hunt. Just kidding. He's on a whole nother level. But car was sick. I need to build a car next year. Follow along for all the other vids.